Here's how to install a Rain-X Ready-Match conventional blade on a large J-hook type arm. First, remove the pre-installed adapter by partially rotating the back part of the adapter up and then pushing it forward. The adapter should pop off. Next, remove the adapter from the package. To install the adapter on the wiper blade, orient the adapter so that the end with the tab is on the side of the wiper blade with the smaller hole. Then, align the center channel of the adapter with the crosspin of the wiper blade. Next, push firmly until the adapter clicks into place. You're now ready to install the blade. After you remove the old wiper blade, make sure the wiper arm is up or in the service position. Now, insert the curved part of the J-hook through the top opening of the wiper blade. Then guide the wiper blade into the J-hook and pull upward until it locks into place. Tug on the blade to make sure it's properly fastened. Finally, lower the arm gently onto the windshield. You are now ready to outsmart the elements with Rain-X Ready-Match conventional blades.